Hi there, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to find the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix. The matrix we're going to be working with is ACBD. Now the first step to finding this inverse matrix is multiplying it by the matrix D minus C minus B A. Okay? Now let's see what happens when we multiply these two matrices over here. Firstly, we're multiplying a 2 by 2 matrix by another 2 by 2 matrix. That means we're going to get a 2 by 2 matrix back. Okay, so what's this 2 by 2 matrix going to look like? Well, firstly, we have to multiply this A by this D over here. And then we're going to have to multiply this B by this minus C over here. So for the top left hand corner we get AD minus BC. Now just below that we're going to get CD like so, and then minus CD, okay, which actually gives us 0. Now let's do the top right. So for the top right we're going to get a minus AB and then plus AB. Let's write that down. So minus AB plus AB. And just below that, we're going to get a minus BC times, or actually plus AD. Okay, so we get a minus BC and then we get a plus AD. Okay, now we're going to simplify this matrix to the right over here. If we do that, we get AD minus BC in the top left. Below that we get 0. To the top right we get 0. And at the bottom over here, bottom right, we get AD minus BC. Now the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix is going to give you the identity matrix back, okay? And that's 1, 0, 0, 1. At the moment we do not have 1, 0, 0, 1. We have AD minus BC, 0, 0, AD minus BC. So to get the identity matrix, we'd actually have to multiply this matrix over here to the right by 1 over AD minus BC. Let me show you how that works. So if we were to multiply this matrix over here by this scalar here to the left, we'd actually generate the identity matrix to the right. But this is only under one condition. AD minus BC is not equal to 0, because you cannot divide by 0. Now as you can see, if you multiplied this by this you'd get 1, and if you multiplied this by this you'd also get 1, giving you the identity matrix. Okay, so with that in mind, I'm going to show you the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix and exactly what it looks like. So because of our previous workings, the inverse of the 2 by 2 matrix ACBD would be 1 over AD minus BC multiplied by D minus C minus BA. Okay, and that's going to give us the identity matrix 1, 0, 0, 1. If we multiply this over here by this matrix to the right, okay, we get the identity matrix back, and that is why this is the inverse of this 2 by 2 matrix to the left. And the condition is AD minus BC cannot be equal to 0, because you're not allowed to divide by 0. Now a good way to memorize the inverse of a 2 by 2 matrix is to swap this A and D, they switch places, and then you must multiply the B and the C over here by -1, giving you this matrix over here. And then after that, you just multiply this matrix to the right by 1 over AD minus BC, which is a scalar. And also consider that AD minus BC cannot be equal to 0. If it is, you cannot get an inverse. Okay, so I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and that it's been helpful to you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. For more mathematics content, visit mathematics.proofs on Instagram. I've currently got 65.9k followers on it and I'm trying to build this page up. So hope to see you there. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.